So, I am Aura Brigala and I graduated from senior high school and I survived all my silent battles and I'm currently transitioning to the woman I am becoming.
Hi, my name is Melissa Enriquez and this year, mag-travel ako sa dream destination ko, ang Paris on Iceland, and nakahanap ako ng mga genuine people and someone na accept ako kung sino ako.
I love you! I love you, ate!
Hi, I'm Anne Salye. My greatest achievement this year is I got my own branding dahil yan sa Abby Salye mo yan, nagkaroon ako ng maraming endorsement and nakatulong na rin ako sa aking family kahit paano. And thank you rin sa friendship na to, na nabuo na to, dahil I'm so very happy na kilala ko sila. At akala ko yung iba dito matataray, pero sobrang sarap sa puso at ang gagaling nila. I love it.
Hi guys! I'm QD. Ang totoo kong pangalan ay Kelvin Cruz Fulgencio. So, this year, I have my Carlaret. Oh yes, thank you so much. The second is, this year, I got my own house and studio.
Yeah.
Yes, salamat ha. Okay. Bye, thank you ha.
Love you, Goody. I love you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Hi, I'm Pixie. And ayun, nakapag-travel ako mag-isa and nakapag-pedicure ako. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Stormy and this year I got back to streaming and made a lot of people happy.
Hi, my name is Ernaline and yes, this year I learned to be independent and I got my iPad and vlogging camera. Yeah! Hi, my name is Tessa Ball and may sarili na akong farm! Oh my God!
Oh my God, ito ba ate? Oh my God, congrats! Farm!
Hi, I'm Junjun Salarson. Thankful lang ako na survive ko this year and hindi na ako masyadong ginalit.
Kasi nga hindi ka tayo makasama.
Merry Christmas!